Have you ever wanted to make your own fresh face mask at home? This face mask maker kit was sent to me by the brand to try, and I'm sharing my honest thoughts. This kit lets you create your own customized skincare masks using simple ingredients like rose water, green tea, cucumber water, aloe, or fresh juice. It comes with the automatic facial mask machine, a mask tray, and collagen tablets. So you can make fresh hydration masks right at home. What I like about this is that it makes skincare feel more personal and fun. Sometimes store-bought masks can feel expensive, drying, or full of ingredients you don't really understand. With this machine, you can choose what goes into your mask and keep it simple. Today, I'm using carrot juice because the instructions give you different options for what can be used and what combinations may work well. The process is very easy because the machine gives detailed verbal instructions from start to finish. It tells you when to add water, when to add the juice of your choice, when to add one collagen tablet, and then you start the machine and let it work. Once the mask mixture is ready, it pours into the mask tray and sets into a soft facial mask. After that, the machine also tells you to turn it to cleaning mode, which makes the whole process feel more guided and beginner-friendly. The mask feels fresh, cooling, and relaxing, and I love that it is made right before using it. You can also customize it depending on the type of self-care routine you want. You can make a cooling cucumber mask, a calming green tea mask, a hydrating aloe mask, or a gentle carrot juice mask like I'm trying today. This would also make a cute gift for someone who loves skincare, self-care nights, home spa routines, or beauty gadgets. It is simple enough for beginners, but it still feels like a mini spa treatment at home. Instead of just opening a regular mask packet, you are actually creating your own mask, which makes the routine feel more special. I would definitely start with gentle ingredients first, strain any juice really well, and always patch test before using anything new on your face. Overall, if you want an easy and fun way to make fresh, customized face masks at home, this DIY face mask maker kit is a unique skincare tool to try.